This is affirmation. While creating affirmation, your mind should be directed towards I am Prajnanam Brahma. I am pure consciousness. First try to think of what consciousness means and be more poised, serene, to understand that you are experiencing so many things. You are aware, but aware of this, aware of that. Every moment your awareness changing. But what is behind all these changes? Again, the answer is awareness. That awareness, which is unalterable in the midst of changing modes of awareness, that's prajnanam. And that is the reality in everyone. As awareness, you are ever the same, eternal, immutable. Because you are not the body, you are not the mind, you are not the intellect. You are pure awareness. So, each time you direct your attention to your awareness, you must realize that you are constantly in association with God. That awareness is God. Mind goes on asking, oh God, why have you forgotten me? Why have you separated me? Try to understand. Even when you are asking the question, there is an awareness about asking. What is that awareness? That awareness is God Himself. Try to grow up to realize that you cannot separate yourself from God, and you don't have to go far and wide to meet sacred places. Here and now, you are enfolded by God's presence. That God is pure awareness. That God is you, not your ego. Ego being shed, the ego identity being shed. The real identity in all is Brahman, the Absolute.